Hindi na raw uso ang mga damsel in distress dahil ang in na ngayon, mga strong and independent women. Kilalanin ng ilan sa kanila rito. Ang bagong kapuso na si Jasmine Curtis Smith, kamakailan lang ay nakaranas raw ng matinding bashing pero pinatunayan niya na hindi siya magpapatinag dito.
The bashing and all the hate that I got for my body weight, hearing all of that and seeing all of that online, talagang na-bring down din naman ako. You just have to move on from it, keep yourself busy, make yourself busy with yourself, and it'll make you strong.
Ang Gibbs sisters na sina Chi and Gabs, itinuturing na ngayon na fashion and beauty experts. Ang mga anak ni Jano Gibbs at ni kapag nahati ang puso star na si Bing Loizaga, masaya raw na nakagawa sila ng sariling pangalan sa ibang larangan.
Of course, I'm very proud to be part of, the legacy we have. Siyempre, I'm happy also that they're supporting us so we're doing something totally different. So, I'm happy about that.
Hindi ko din in-disregard na there's such a big help. I mean, even iba yung industry namin, still nakakatulong pa rin yun in what we do. So, thankful.
Ang mga kapuso naman na sina Gabby Garcia at Joy Spring, feeling stronger ngayon after malampasan ang mga struggles na pinagdaanan sa pag-achieve ng pangarap.
Wala naman sa pamilya namin yung naging host, wala sa amin yung nag-showbiz ever. Hindi ako galing sa mayaman na pamilya, and I really worked my way up. I really tried to study hard, and by God's grace and by the love of the people around me, talagang andito na ako ngayon.
This is just recent. I felt so rejected and parang feeling ko hindi para sa akin yung industriya. That time, I realized how important your family support is, your friend support, your fan support is. So parang I decided to really just step up my game and just believe in myself.
Ang pag-aalaga sa sarili, isang form daw ng self-love. Kaya naman ang ating mga It Girls nagbigay ng tips kung paano maging fashionable at manatiling fresh looking.
Sleep as much as you can, rest is always essential.
Siguro sa makeup, keep it to a minimal kasi medyo mainit dito. So, simple lang.
Dapat ibagay yung makeup sa clothes.
Sa damit.
Pag medyo loud na yung clothes mo, huwag ka na magwala sa makeup. Parang kung makeup look yung ginagawa mo, parang tone down na lang with the clothes. Parang balance lang.
Never ever miss your skincare routine every morning and night.
Eat your veggies. It's always nice to have good nutrients in your body. Pangalawa, always be confident in who you are because the most important thing is knowing who you are and embracing it.
Na-inspire ba kayo, mga kapuso? Bangon-bangon na at ilabas ang inyong natatagong strong and independent side. Happy morning!